Hello, and welcome to Tips and Tricks. My name is Jason, one of the training support specialists in the Port Orange Library Distribution Center. Today we will show you some of the features of the Switch-Click USB. The Switch-Click USB connects to any computer with a USB slot and can emulate several mouse or keyboard functions, all while still leaving the mouse and keyboard free and available for use by a secondary user. By removing the back of the switch click using these screws and adjusting the switch settings here, a user can change between 9 available functions: a left mouse click, which is the default setting, a right mouse click, a spacebar click, an enter key click, a tab key click, the up arrow key, the down arrow key, the left arrow key, and the right arrow key. The Switch-Click USB also comes with a switch jack on the side of the device, shown here, that allows users to attach their favorite external switch to control the switch click. Note this does not enable a secondary function, only emulates the switch click's current action setting. On behalf of the AT and UDL Technology and Learning Connections team, we want to say thank you for joining us today. Please keep an eye on our website for additional videos and support.